A new twist in the middle of drama, and this time, Donald Trump is turning up the heat on Iran. You're watching Times XP. My name is Vriti Yatri, and the United States walked onto a stage. He looked straight into the cameras and he dropped a statement that shakes Washington, Tehran, and the entire world that is watching. Iran is desperate for a deal. That's what Trump declared as Iran issues fresh threats of retaliation. But Trump, he didn't stop there. In typical Trump style, he claimed big. He said that we obliterated their nuclear sites. He said that the recent US strikes, they were not just successful, in fact, they were perfect. He insisted that every missile, every bomb, every target hit with absolute accuracy, the kind of accuracy that he says no other country on the planet can match. According to him, these strikes didn't just damage Iran, they reshaped the power of balance across the Middle East. Iran has been downgraded, nullified, reduced. That's what he claimed. A bold statement, even by Trump's standards here. In the meantime, Iran is threatening, but Trump says that they want a deal. While Tehran is warning of a strong response, Trump insists the opposite is happening behind closed doors. He says that Iran is quietly sending a signal that it wants negotiations, that it wants sanction relief, that it wants a new arrangement with Washington before things spiral further. And in Trump's telling, the reason is very simple, they have no choice now. Peace because of power. That's what Trump's version of story is about. Trump argues that the strike created a new reality, a Middle East where Washington has proven its strength and Iran has realized its limit. He claims that the moment is opening doors for regional peace, new alliances, and diplomatic breakthroughs. But whether this is strategy or campaign drama or something in between, the world is watching every single word.